بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your social studies class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students. First of all of you open page 8. Can you see this? This is page 8. On page 8, we have our topic, the body. This is our topic, the body. Students, today we will learn different parts of our body. Can you see? These all are different parts of our body. Let's read their names. Students, grab your pencils and read with me. Hair, hair. Eye, eye. Ear, ear. Mouth, mouth. Neck, neck. Are you reading with me, students? Very good. Elbow, elbow. Thigh, thigh. Calf, calf. Head, head. Nose, nose. Cheek, cheek. Chin, chin. Arm, arm. Hand, hand. Knee, knee. Foot, foot. Okay, students, we have just recalled the names of all these parts of our body. Now we will move towards the exercises. On page 8, there are 3 questions. Question 1 is, what parts of your body do you use for running? What parts of your body do you use for running? We use legs and feet for running. Question 2 is, what parts of your body do you use for eating? What parts of your body do you use for eating? We use mouth and teeth for eating. Question 3 is, what parts of your body do you use for writing? What parts of your body do you use for writing? We use hands and fingers for writing. We use hands and fingers for writing. Let's start writing the answers of these questions in your notebook. Okay students, this is your social studies notebook. Here you will write your name, your class and your subject. Okay students, let's start writing with me. First of all, we will write lesson like this. Lesson 2. And the name of lesson is My Body. This is the name of our lesson. As you can see here students, we have just written lesson 2, My Body. Now we will mention our page. This is page 8. Page 8. Let's start writing question 1. First of all, we will write here Q1. Are you writing with me students? Very good. Question 1 is what parts of your body do you use for running? We have just written question 1. What parts of your body do you use for running? Now we will write the answer of this question. Now we are writing the answer of this question. We will write here answer and then we will answer this question. We use legs and feet for running. We use legs and feet for running. And after writing the answer, we will put a finishing line. A very straight finishing line. Okay students, there is a question mark and this is full stop. This is finishing line. Okay students, now we will write question 2. And let's see what is question 2. Question 2 is what parts? Are you writing with me students? Very good. What parts of your body do you use for eating? What parts of your body do you use for eating? Now we will answer this question like this. Start writing with me. We use mouth. We use mouth and teeth. We use mouth and teeth for eating. We use mouth and teeth for eating. This is the answer of question 2. Here is the question mark. This is full stop and this is the finishing line. Write with me students in a very neat writing and use a 4-line page. After writing question 2, we are moving towards question 3. What parts of your body? Write with me students. What parts of your body? What parts of your body do you use for writing? Do you use for writing? What parts of your body do you use for writing? Now we will answer this question. Right answer, and then we use hands and fingers. We use hands and fingers for writing. We use hands and fingers for writing. And after giving the answer, I will put a finishing line. This is question 3. Okay students, as you can see that I have given answer of all these 3 questions. Question 1 is here. And this is question 2. And this is question 3. And now it's your homework time, students. What you have to do, you have to write all question answers of lesson 2 and share picture in WhatsApp group. Okay students, you have to write all the question answers on a page and then you have to share the picture in WhatsApp group. Take care students, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.